As the generation of the Ismail alayhi salatu wasalam, peace upon him, was corrupted. How do you think that in this situation it is just a lie? It is just an illusion. This nation has to be united. The Mehndi of the time should unite. Be it the era of Tariq bin Ziyad. Jala डाली तो तुमने कश्तियाँ उधर उसके साहिल पर. Alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I'm Mutiur Rahman. Ibn Ali, respected teacher, my all beloved brothers. Today I'm going to talk about the unity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, وَإِنَّ هَذِهِ أُمَّتُكُمْ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً وَأَنَا رَبُّكُمْ فَاعْبُدُونَ. This nation of yours is one nation. I'm your Lord. Fear me. This was the declaration that was made repeatedly in the Holy Quran. Therefore, it should be well remembered that who exists in the 21st century, that the Muslims who exist 21st century are spoiled, tired, broken, heart, and sick and defeated. As the generation of the Yaqub alayhi salatu wasalam, peace upon him, was corrupted. As the generation of the Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam, peace upon him, was corrupted. As the generation of the Ismail alayhi salatu wasalam, peace upon him, was corrupted. And corrupt Muslims of that era were called Bani Israel. And today's corrupt Muslims have given themselves different names, divided into different circles, divided into different sects, divided into different communities. They are not the spokesperson of the Muslim Ummah. They are not the spokesperson of the Muslim Ummah, because the Muslim Ummah is a single Ummah. When this Ummah is united, then this Ummah will be Muslim. How do you think that in this situation you will prevail, you will get respect, a crown will be placed on your head, the Masjid Al-Aqsa will not be tampered with, the Holy Kaaba will remain safe, the Haramain Sharifain will not be touched, the Dajjal system will not be prevail, and the Islamic system will not be defeated. If you think that this will happen without these conditions, it is just a lie. It is just an illusion. It is just a false self. This ummah has to be united. This nation has to be united. Whether this ummah is united with happiness or by eating steak, this ummah or the Khalifa of the time should unite. The Mehndi of the time should unite. The Amir al-Mu'minin of the time should unite. The one who implements the Islamic system of the time should unite. The story tells us whenever the Muslims were united, they defeated an enemy many times their own. In the battle of Badr, 313 defeated 1,000. In the battle of Khandaq, 10,000 defeated 30,000 defeated 10,000. 30,000 defeated 1,50,000 in the Ghazwa al-Mu'tah. In every era, the unity of the Muslim has raised the banner of victory. Be it the era of Tariq bin Ziyad, be it the era of Muhammad bin Qasim, be it the era of Salahuddin Ayyubi, be it the era of Nuruddin Sindgi, about which Iqbal exclaims, जला डाली तो तुमने कश्तियाँ उंदुलुस के साहिल पर, जला डाली तो तुमने कश्तियाँ उंदुलुस के साहिल पर, मुसलमान फिर तारीख दोहराने का वक्त आया, चले थे 313 जहाँ से तुम मुसलमानों, उन्हीं माजी के राहों पर पलट जाने का वक्त आया. I end up my talk with a special thanks to you all, wonderful people listening to me with a great patience, and have a great day.